Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this makeup look which is very simple and everyday makeup look. So if you wanna know how I create this makeup look, please keep on watching. So I am going to start with the moisturizer, and for moisturizer I am using this Pond's Light Gel moisturizer which is very light on the skin, and I have oily skin so it works best for my skin. For second step, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Primer. It's a very good primer for dry skin, but I like gluey base, so I am using this. For today, I am not going with any foundation. I am using only Pond's BB cream. For blending, you can use a beauty blender or a brush and fingers as well. I am blending this all over my face evenly. After that, for setting this BB cream, I am going with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. For eyebrows, I am using Anastasia Brow Definer and a light brown shade for eyelids. For eyeliner, I am using Colorbar All Matte Eyeliner. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. For blush, I am going with Sugar in the shade Peach Peak. So now moving on with my favorite part, which is highlighter. For highlighter, I am using Sugar Highlighter. For lipstick, I am using Inside Cosmetic lipstick in the shade Looking Good. And this is the final look. If you liked my video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.